Good morning, students. So we are learning the sixth chapter, combustion and fuel. In that we have learned what is combustion and different types of substances, means fuels, how they combust. We have given examples for combustion. And see here, in today's class we are going to learn combustions, different types of combustions. And next, what is flame? Example of flame. We are taking flame and we are going to see different parts of this flame, and we are going to define fuel efficiency and some impact of this combustion on the atmosphere. By this we complete this chapter. So in today's class it is very simple that in previous class we have learned ignition temperature. Means the minimum temperature where substance start burning is called as ignition temperature, isn't it? The minimum temperature where substance start burning is called as ignition temperature. So when any substance reaches at ignition temperature, they start burning. Okay, now suppose, see, if we take a cup, dry cup, okay, and teacup, no, paper teacup, and here we have taken water in this cup and we heated this both. Okay, so have you seen, this will burn easily whereas this won't burn. Why? Reason, because there is no water inside. So when we burn this, the ignition temperature of this paper is very less, so it catches fire and burns. Whereas in this water is there, the water ignition temperature is very high. So to reach the ignition temperature of water, it will take a lot of time, so this will not get burned. Okay, so this is how ignition temperature impacts while a substance going to burn. Okay, now see students, different types of combustions are there. Combustion means, what is combustion? Burning of substances in the presence of oxygen and releasing heat. Already I have defined in earlier class. That is called as combustion. So rapid combustion means if we are going to burn any substance, that is called as rapid combustion. Suppose हमने गैस सिलेंडर को क्या करते हैं, उसका नैब ऑन कर देते और मैस्टिक और कोई भी लाइटर लेके उसको जलाते, मतलब with the involvement of us human beings. So such combustion are called as rapid combustion. Means those combustions which willingly going to start in the presence of human being is called as rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion means, suppose phosphor is there, phosphor को आप ऐसा रख दीजिए, वो अपने आप ही जल जाएगा, वो अपने आप ही बर्न हो जाएगा. ऐसे वाले को हमने बोलता है spontaneous combustion. We call it as spontaneous. Rapid combustion means we have to ignite. अंडरस्टैंड, गैस है, हम ही उसको जलाते हैं, हम ही उसको कम्बिशन करते हैं, अपने आप नहीं होती है गैस. नाउ स्पॉन्टेनियस कम्बिशन मीन्स आप कोई ऐसा रख दीजिए, वो अपने आप बर्न हो जाएगा. फास्फोरस एग्जांपल. एक्सप्लोशन, एक्सप्लोसिव्स मतलब क्या है, जो क्रैकर्स होता है ना दिवाली के समय में हमने जो बर्न करता है, सो दोज क्रैकर दे अब्रप्टली कम्ब्यूस by making sound. So such combustion is called as explosive. These are the three types of combustions. Now while combusting, a flame comes, understand. So while we are burning any substances, candle or anything, a flame comes. Have you noticed the color of flame? Suppose the candle color and kerosene color and gas color, different colors. For candle it is in red color, yellow color, like sun color. Whereas when you burn the gas, the flame burns in blue color. You observe it. Okay, so the flame color is always in different part. So this is middle zone, this is bottom zone, and this is top zone. So this is very hot zone. The top zone of the flame is called as very hot. This is medium hot, medium hot. This is less hot. Understand, this is less hot zone. Okay, so there are different types of heat provided by this flame. So if we keep here substances, it will provide more and more heat, whereas here less heat and here too less heat. Okay, so this is the flame. Now, so this flame produced by burning fuels, means candle is also one type of fuel, wax, coal is also fuel. Okay, so see here, candle flame देता है, मगर आप कोल बर्न कीजिए बेटा, कोल फ्लेम नहीं देता है. क्यों कोल फ्लेम नहीं देता है कि देखिए कैंडल बर्न होता है तो ये वैक्स वेपर स्टेट में ऊपर आता है। व्हेन वी बर्न कैंडल दिस वैक्स वेपर, जैसे पानी का वेपर ऊपर जाता है ना, जैसे ये कैंडल का वैक्स का वेपर ऊपर जाता है और वो वेपर पूरा इधर तक आ जाता है, तब फ्लेम में आता है। मगर आप कोल को लेके, कोल है ये, कोल बर्न कीजिए, कोल का वेपर ऊपर नहीं आता है। अगर कोल का वेपर ऊपर आता है तो वो सारे बर्न होता है और फ्लेम भी आता है। ओके, ये सॉलिड स्टेट में रहता है, इसलिए ये अंदर ही अंदर जलता है, ऊपर नहीं आता है। ऊपर कब आता है, इसमें से वेपर आएगा तो वो वेपर पूरा जलेगा, वही हम उसको ही हमने फ्लेम बोलता है। मगर इसमें कोल में वेपर्स नहीं आता है। ओके, सो दोस फ्यूल्स प्रोड्यूस वेपर्स, they also produce flame. Those do not produce vapor, they do not produce flame. So this is a different color flame you observe, notice, see the textbook, please read yourself. Okay, and now if a small experiment is also given you for you, take a glass and keep here. So on those glass a ring like structure form which is unburned carbon, जो नहीं बर्न हुआ वाला कार्बन को शो करता है। Next, fuel. The example of fuel is coal, gas, candle. Okay, so these are the example. What is fuel efficiency? It is very very important. What is fuel efficiency? Okay, by this your topic will complete. What is fuel efficiency? You have to remember. Fuel का efficiency क्या है? मतलब efficiency मतलब capacity. What is mean by efficiency? Efficiency means nothing but capacity. Okay, fuel efficiency means fuel capacity. So see students, here if when we take 1 kg fuel, नहीं तो आप कोल 1 kg ले लीजिए, वैक्स 1 kg ले लीजिए, गैस 1 kg ले लीजिए। when we burn 1 kg of fuel, the heat liberated, heat is nothing but energy, heat liberated by that this 1 kg fuel is called as fuel efficiency. What is mean by definition of fuel efficiency means when we burn 1 kg fuel, the heat released by fuel is called fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency units kilojoule by kg. किलो मतलब हम when we burn this 1 kg, the heat releases, heat is a energy measured in kilojoule. Okay, and the mass is 1 kilogram. Okay, so the units of fuel efficiency is 1 kg. Very simple. When we take any fuel of 1 kg fuel, the heat burn is called as fuel efficiency. That's all. So when we burn any substances, carbon dioxide releases. Okay, carbon dioxide, CO2 releases, SO2 releases, different types of gases releases, and they go into the atmosphere and cause pollution in nature. Due to that, what happens? Global warming happens. Global warming आपने पढ़ा है, global warming, and acid rains and respiratory diseases. Respiratory disease जानते हैं ना, respiratory diseases. So no need to ask here. You if you are unable to understand, see this video again and again, student, you can easily understand. Okay, so this is our topics. Please go through textbook and write down question and answer. By this we complete 6th topic. From Monday onwards we enter in 7th chapter.